Hello friends, today I am going to teach you another topic of what if analysis, that is about scenario management. In previous two tutorials I told you about goal seek, means we can change only one variable. In another tutorial I told you about this data table concept, where we can say I told you about one-way data table and two-way data table. In one-way data table you can change one variable, in two-way data table you can change two data variables. But what I can say, in scenario manager we have we can change many variables. We can take many scenarios. Not it has there has no restriction in scenario manager. I will tell you with the help of here. We can reach the target. I already told you we have target, right? Right? We can change any values in we can change any values in scenario manager in order to reach the target, or we wanted to make changes in the target. Okay, we are purely dependent on target, right? We want to change in target values. Okay. um, I will show you. For example, take any cell, but here I am taking this cell. Any cell, actually it will work for everyone. I am selecting this cell. Go to data ribbon, go to what if analysis, click here scenario manager, your option here. We can add different scenario here. With the help of add button we can delete it, we can edit it. It is a summary. Merge is different, it is not that much useful. I'm taking here add now. It is asking me the scenario name. I'm taking the scenario name as A, and it's asking me what changing cells. What is the changing cell? I want to make the changing cell as price. I'll click OK. It is asking me value for changing cell. What you wanted to change the value for changing cells? There was 50, right, by default. So I wanted to change that 60. I'll add OK. Okay. I when I click OK, the value changed 60, and every value has changed here. Okay, the data has been changed, right? And if I wanted to edit it. Okay, click it and change it to 50, like previously how it was. Let's show. See the changes. We can make the changes here, right? We can make the changes here, and in the same way we can add more scenarios. I'm adding another scenario, add button, and writing the scenario name as B. What is the changing cell now? I want the changing cell as this cell. Lowest price should be. I want to change the lowest price. I want pressed OK. Oh, and it's asking me to change the value. I'm changing the value as 30. I pressed OK. I wanted to show. I press show. See the value has been changed here. And I press B. I want pressed. You have to select the scenario. I select B scenario. I wanted to make changes by clicking show. The value has been shown. Okay, you can close it. The value was saved. And you wanted to go again. You wanted to check the scenarios whether they were present or not. Yes, they were present again. You can add many scenarios in this way. You can delete as well here. Okay, see, I selected B. I wanted to delete this. Deleted. The scenario was deleted. And I wanted to add it. I wanted to check B and make the changing cell as and make selected this lowest price cell and pressed OK. Changing value is this time 40. I pressed OK. Here you got it right. When you check clicking A or B scenario, if you want to make changes, you can click on show. But you wanted to make another sheet, you make a summary. You wanted to make the summary, then click here summary option. It is asking, um, it is not. It is asking you. Um, it is telling you that it can make the changes 50 or 30, whatever the scenarios we have changed the values, right? We have changed in A to 50 to some value. In B scenario, we changed to from 30 to some value, right? It is asking me what is the output, like where you wanted to here I can make the changes where you wanted to show the summary results. I wanted to make changes here in another sheet. By default it will change, but it wanted to as it is creating a new sheet, it will create new sheet when you click OK now. So it is showing where change what changes in it is asking you what to display, these values or these values or these values. So I am clicking this value, it is sum, I want to display it. So I click OK. See, the new scenario summary sheet was created. See, it was changing the current value A scenario, B scenario, and she is it asked me right in the resultant cells what changes, how you wanted to show the data. See, I wanted to display this data as well. Like it is by default, it is making changes, but it is also asking me right at the end that how to display the data in the resultant cells are only a values. You might select another variable also, not only this. You might select I'm going to no, not this one. I'm going to I might select this one. I might select this one. It might show the this data only, but I wanted to show in summary total some value. So it has making the changes and it's showing asking me to do the changes. It is just for displaying only. Okay. I hope you got it. The scenario manager, the difference between goal seek, data table, and scenario manager. Goal seek only one variable, data table one variable or more than one. That is up to two variable only. You can make the changes. But in scenario manager, many variables. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet you next tutorial.